You wake up, you stretch, you start your day like always. But what if your morning routine, the one you've done for years, was actually destroying your hormones? Most men don't realize it, but what you do in the first hour of the day can make or break your testosterone, energy, and mental clarity. In this video, we'll break down 3 common morning habits that silently sabotage your male hormones, and what to do instead to reboot your system and feel like yourself again. If you wake up tired, foggy, or weak, this might be the reason. Habit number 1, skipping sunlight and movement. You wake up and go straight to your phone. You stay inside. No light, no motion, no signal to your body that the day has started. Big mistake. Your testosterone and cortisol levels follow a 24-hour rhythm called your circadian cycle. And that cycle is triggered by one thing: light plus movement in the morning. Without it, your brain stays in night mode. You don't get the hormonal spike you need. Testosterone production stalls, and cortisol, your stress hormone, stays elevated longer. The result? You feel groggy, flat, and unmotivated, even if you slept. The fix? Get outside within 30 minutes of waking. Move your body, even just a 5-minute walk or stretch. It's not about exercise. It's about activating your system. Habit number 2, high sugar breakfast or caffeine on an empty stomach. This is the classic combo. You wake up, feel tired, grab a coffee, maybe with toast, cereal, or nothing at all, and it wrecks your hormones. Why? Because when you flood your body with sugar or caffeine first thing, you spike your blood sugar and cortisol at the worst possible time. Your body goes into survival mode. Energy crashes by mid-morning. Testosterone dips by midday. Cravings go up, insulin gets thrown off. And if you're drinking coffee without food, it's even worse. Your cortisol shoots up, and testosterone production shuts down temporarily. The fix? Eat protein plus fat within 60 minutes of waking. Think eggs, nuts, even a simple shake. And delay caffeine by at least 60-90 minutes to let your hormones reset naturally. Habit number 3, starting your day in mental chaos. You wake up, open your phone, check emails, bad news, alerts, TikToks, markets, texts, all in the first 10 minutes. You've just overloaded your nervous system before you've even had breakfast. Your cortisol, already high when you wake up, spikes even more. And with high cortisol, testosterone shuts down. Your dopamine levels get blunted, and your brain goes into fight or flight mode. The result? Poor focus, low energy, less motivation, lower libido. You think it's just your mood, but really, it's your hormones being hijacked. The fix? Start your day without screens for the first 20-30 minutes. Use that time for light movement, hydration, or silence. Give your brain a buffer and your hormones a chance to stabilize. Most men think their hormones just decline with age, but every morning, with just a few wrong choices, you might be accelerating that decline. This isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and making small shifts that protect your energy, your strength, and your identity. If this video was an eye-opener for you, share it with someone who starts their day like this every single morning, and hit the exclamation point button in the comments if you're ready to improve your morning and your hormones.